Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I can take this Allen key and this block of wood and open this beer. I just want to say this project is inspired by the book Good Clean Fun by Nick Offerman. In it you can find a tutorial on how to build a bottle opener. It's almost exactly like this one. So if you don't already have that book, I suggest you go and buy it. And until then, just sit back and enjoy this video. All good projects. Next step before we move to any finishing is to test it out and make sure it works. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button. If you want to see more from me, you can either click the little box over here and I'll show you another video, or click the circle up here and I'll subscribe to my channel. Now don't forget to hit that bell, you'll get notified every time I upload something new. Cheers.